we capture a lot of that, and then we use that obviously for our own insights, but also for the customer to benchmark themselves against their peers. Right? And I think the other side of the data that we use quite a lot is more on the intent side. And given what we said earlier about the buying journey moving online, we have invested in quite a lot of marketing tools where we can actually see for that top of funnel
where
segment,
they are.
Exactly where they are, who's touching us, what kind of interaction we're having, and what kind of engagement. We do quite a lot around that to try to give more better data to our sales teams that can then go and try to move those opportunities along.
Yeah, because I mean, I believe that the salespeople today, any sales organization, I think when they wake up in the morning, their day should be driven by data. So what customers, like say, who's hitting us, who seems to be showing more interest, what are they interested in, not sort of what they feel like pursuing or what their gut's telling them. I think the more data driven their process is, the more clearly the more efficient that they're going to be. So but I think that's a journey. I mean, I think that a lot of sales organizations are still not convinced. I hear a lot when I talk to salespeople, they're like, well, that data stinks. That data, I know that account better. Okay, the data's saying X, but I know that account and it's really Y. And it's like, whoa, right? We can't just ignore all of this information over here. So it's a cultural journey. And I mean, you're smiling right now because you've been in this game a long time. And so you know it, you know it. So you actually touched on something about state secrets a minute ago. And so, we know that SimCorp is going through an as a service business model transformation, right? You're putting more stuff out in the cloud, but we also know that in the financial services industry, they can be kind of persnickety about moving their data to the cloud. They can be very conservative.